Hello, I am Takeshwar Verma. I again welcome you all in this channel. Today we talk about the types of pronoun and the definition of pronoun. Uh, the repetition of a noun in a sentence is really boring. So we uses another word in the place of noun. It is called a pronoun. Pronoun is a pronoun is a word that is used in the place of noun. Many people make grammatical mistakes because they lack thorough knowledge regarding the use of pronouns. The word which we use in the place of any noun is called a pronoun. For example, Ram, Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy. He is tall boy. Here he is used in the place of Ram. So he is pronoun. In this way, we replace the word by any word. It is called a pronoun. Now we see the types of pronoun. There are many types of pronoun that are as follows. Number first is a personal pronoun that is used for person like first person, second person and third person. The pronoun which is used instead of a noun of person known as personal pronoun. Number first, personal pronoun. It is the word that is used for a person. Used for a person. Used for a person. The word that is personal pronoun is I, me, my, mine, myself, he, him, his, himself, I, me, my, mine, he, him, his, she, her, it, its, it, its. etc are called etc are called personal pronoun. These words are mainly used in English to show any person that is singular or plural number. If the thing is singular, then we use I, he, she, it. And its objective case is me, him, her, its. It is the objective case and it is subjective case. It is subjective case. Subjective case and objective case, and these are possessive case. These are possessive case. Here, three cases are very important to study this word. They, them, their. etc are personal pronouns. Now we see the second pronoun, that is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun is one that is made by added self form in objective case. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. It is the word that is made by added self in objective form. it is called a reflexive pronoun. For example, he, for the subject he, the reflexive pronoun is himself. She, herself. I, myself. They, themselves. It, itself. 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 That's our reflexive pronouns that is made by objective form of the subject. Here, him, her, them, its are objective form of the subject and my is the possessive form. It is somewhat different from objective cases. So self form is always added in the objective form of the subject. These are the reflexive form of the any subject. Remember it and use it. Now we see the next. Now we see the next pronoun, that is a demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. It is the pronoun which are used to point out the nouns are called demonstrative pronouns. The pronouns which indicate towards the noun. For example, these, that, these, those. Such these words are called demonstrative pronoun. It means यह, that means वह, these means ये, those means वे. It is used for nearness. These and that is used for nearness, and these and these is used for nearness, and these, that and those. These two words are used for forness. So these are a demonstrative pronoun. For example, this is a big playground. This is a big playground. That is a school. These are horses. Those are temples. These, that, these, those. It is called a demonstrative pronoun because it indicates towards any noun. Now we see relative pronoun. Next type is relative pronoun. relative pronoun. Relative pronoun is the pronoun which refer to persons or things in a general way and don't refer to any particular person. A relative pronoun refers or relates to some pronoun which is called its antecedent. For example, here is the book, here is the book that I lost. Here the book the book is, that is the word that is used for the book. So it relates the noun with other sentences. So it is called a relative pronoun. Relative pronoun is the one which relates the noun with other things of the sentence. For another example is Ram is the man. Ram is the man who taught English. Ram is the man who taught English. Here, who is the word that is used for Ram. So, who is a relative pronoun. In another way, here that is used for things and persons both. That is stand for things and persons both, and who is used for person only and which is used for thing only. Another relative pronoun which is used for things only. Its example is, this is the bag which is green. This is the bag which is green. This is the bag which is green. This is relative pronoun. Now we see indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun is the pronoun which refer to persons or things in a general way and don't refer to any particular person. It is called a indefinite pronoun. All, somebody, few, anyone, nobody, no one, that's our indefinite pronoun. For example, somebody has stolen my pen. Indefinite pronoun. The word that so the indefinite things or persons is called indefinite pronoun. For example, all boys are present. All boys are present. Here, are is indefinite. All is indefinite pronoun. Number second, somebody has stolen my pen. Somebody has stolen my pen. Somebody has stolen my pen. Here somebody is indefinite pronoun because it does not indicate any particular person. It indicates more than one particular person, so it is indefinite. Here all is also used in the same way, so it is indefinite pronoun. Few escaped from school. Few escaped from school. Few escaped from school. few is indefinite pronoun. In the same way, anyone can do this, nobody can harm us, nobody and anyone are indefinite pronoun. Friends, if you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment it. We meet in next video. Till then, good day to you.